What happened to that house that was provided to them, Helga? So I don't know if you're aware of Madam Kilai's situation where she did something to her sister and put it under her sister's name. So it's pretty much, it's the same thing to what happened to my relatives in the Philippines. So my sister who brought me here in Canada, including my parents and my other 2 siblings, bought a land in the Philippines. And she put it under my relative's name. Because the main point of putting it under their name is so that they can come to Canada easily. Nilagay ng ate ko sa pangalan nila para masabi ba na pagpunta nila dito sa Canada, may asset sila na nakapangalan sa kanila sa Pilipinas. Yung ate ko bumili ng lupa. Yung mama ko is the one who built the house. Pero yung nakapangalan hindi sa ate ko na nandito, nakapangalan sa kanila. Ang nangyari kasi is, eventually parang inangkin na nila na sa kanila talaga daw yun ang lupa kasi daw binigay daw ng ate ko sa kanila. Therefore, sa kanila yun. Pero guys, there's more to the story na I'm not sharing it, okay? Because it's too sensitive. I'm just summarizing it because the story and drama is a long list to say. So, nung may malaking drama na nangyari between sa aming family, nabalitaan na lang namin na yung relative ko dyan sa Pilipinas, they slowly sell the lot na nabili ng ate ko. So, yung bahay na tinitirhan nila, inabandon nila. Pero, ang nalaman na lang namin sa kapitbahay na yung bahay daw or ang lupa doon, parang it's a big mess talaga siya. Kasi nga daw, yung relative ko, siguro asawa, I think asawa ng ate ko, parang nagdig daw siya ng lupa kasi ang alam namin na may ginto daw sa bahay doon. So dinidig niya, the entire property is like a mess, like lupa everywhere kasi nga maraming lupa na dinidig out kasi nga may gold daw doon. So yan yung nangyari, inabandon nila yung bahay na tinitirhan nila. Tapos, ngayon, ang nakatira is another relative na side ng mama ko na trustee naman. At saka, of course, the house is good now. The house is full of life again. And, yeah, so that's what happened to the house.